This Earth Day, let's not focus on things that divide us. Let's instead consider this. If we look at the Earth's history, we are but a snap of the fingers. Yet, in a short time, we have altered the planet. We are the last generation who can stop climate change and mass extinction. We cannot turn back time. But we can protect forests, plant trees, clean up our oceans, and change the way we grow and consume our food. We live at a critical moment. We are the ones who can make peace with nature and go from exploiting the planet to healing it. We are Generation Restoration. Use the hashtag, tag your friends, family, colleagues, and tell me what difference will you make? I'm Alec Baldwin, and I'm part of Generation Restoration.